Morning. It's another good morning. I'm heading to the final waterfall around this place. This is the final waterfall. I've done 2 waterfalls. I can give you a link there, and this is the final waterfall. And the weather is so promising. It's around 8 a.m. And who does waterfalls this early in the morning? So let's meet there. Peace.
Nimerudi square one. 1 + 1 wachaibaki 1. Msinifunze mimi nimeshalan. Napambana na hali yangu kama Saddam. Basi tusiwamai, tusiwape sikio. Later baby we'll be fine. Tusiwaonyeshe kilio. For those who fall in love, mambo isikuwe complicated kama hesabu. When you're in love, usijipate mtihani bila kalamu, yeah. If you're not ready, pressure mingi usidedi. Please don't go crazy, yeah. Just sasa ninavalishwa kitenge, tukifanana penzi ni ya milele. Nyora samzaze kupende, hizi vitu kwangu ni crazy. Sielewi vile kitenge itafanya penzi iwe milele. Na mbona rasa mzazi asipe.
So I'm already at the site, and I'm taking the best I can, the best clips, so that I might show you this place. And I'm intrigued by the fact that there's just rainbows, enough water, gathering. It's just so perfect, and I'm so happy to be here. So let me do what I have to do here, then I call it quits. Nice place.
What will I do without your smart mouth? Drawing me in and you kicking me out. Get my head spinning, no kidding, I can't pin you down. What's going on, that beautiful mind? I'm on your magical mystery ride, and I'm so dizzy, don't know what hit me, but I'll be alright. My head's underwater, but I'm breathing fine. You're crazy, but I'm out of my mind. 'Cause I love me, love your calls and all your acts, all your perfect imperfection. Give your all to me, I give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning, even when I lose and winning. 'Cause I give you all your perfect imperfection.
Kikutazama naona kama mbingu ilifunguka, alafu chini Mola kanshushia malaika. Wazo tu la kukukosa ndo na wewe seka, tafanya vyote usijewahi kuja kuteseka. Me I don't know what I'm gonna do. Kwenye mkono wako ndo ilipo yangu roho, nikikugusa na sisimka kichwa hadi miguu. Wendo mapigo.
So I'm out of the waterfall, and I'm so inspired that it was a success, and I took the best, but in many cases it's about a matter of relieving the mental health. You meet a lot of patients, you meet a lot of people who pour onto you their problems. then you go and pour your problems onto nature.
Ninakuamini, nimekujua na nimekuona. Ninakuamini, tumaini langu ni wewe tu, ni wewe tu, ni wewe tu, ni wewe tu.
To all health workers, let this inspire you to be a better person through a positive mental energy and mental health. See you guys.